Hi, my name is Winnie Alcorn, and I am here to talk to you about the Leap to Teacher program at Brooklyn College. If you are a teacher, daycare worker, or other school professional and are ready to take the next step in your career, Leap to Teacher is the program for you. Now, before I explain what the program offers, I want to emphasize one important point. Even though the name is Leap to Teacher, this program is not only for teachers. You can choose any major that you want to study, and we will provide free and valuable support. Leap to Teacher offers free college entrance services, college and career services, and resources to help you pay for college. Our college entrance services help with pre-admissions and the application process. We support you as you apply to the program of your choice. Our college and career services include academic and career advising. Another important service we offer is helping you figure out how to pay for college. We help you review funding options such as career training program grants, scholarships, and financial aid available at your campus. We also offer workshops to help you succeed as you transition back to a learning environment. For those going into teaching, we provide teacher certification exam preparation workshops throughout the school year. We also offer writing tutoring. You can attend 30 or 60-minute sessions for support with brainstorming, understanding assignments, research, drafting, revising, and even editing. These sessions are designed to help you succeed with any writing task. For students pursuing a master's degree, we can also help with developing a thesis statement. If you would like more information about Leap to Teacher, please feel free to contact me at winifred.alcorn@slu.cuny.edu. Hope to see you soon.